Honestly, I'm not gonna say that stuff doesn't work because it could work if it's done properly, like bus stop ads, but not if you're only gonna have one or two bus stops. I see some of these the guys that it works for, they buy up like 15 bus stop ads. That's when I see it could work, but that's a lot of fucking money.
Like
That's a
how
lot of
much is
money.
like you have those
Some
numbers?
some of these,
Yeah, you have those
yeah.
numbers in your back end. Like how much is a bus stop ad?
So some of these realtors, the ones that have like 30 bus stops, they're spending about 30K a month.
30K per month?
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
spending a lot of money.
that's like
I think
if
it's
you
a
spend
thousand.
30, if you
There's a
spend,
thousand. It's a
that's just
thousand
like,
a
yeah.
month for one bus stop, and like nobody's gonna see that thing, man.
No, well, it's like
Yeah.
that's how they sell the bus stops. It's like, oh, there's foot traffic and people are driving through.
Mm,
But that's one of the things that I feel is a benefit for Facebook is that you can literally see how many people you've reached and how many people, how many different impressions that you've had, how many people have interacted with the
mm,
ad, how many engagements that you get. You get all of those numbers
exactly.
directly inside of Facebook Business Manager when you're getting something traditional. So say a bus stop ad or a bus,
Mm,
like a bus chair ad or something. You have literally no
exactly.
idea. All you kind of know is foot traffic. You don't know how long someone looks at the ad. You don't know how many people have seen the ad in that day or how many people have actually like
Yeah.
sat down there and be like, oh, this person. You have literally no idea because there's no camera
Yeah.
set up there to watch this for 24/7. It's not like Facebook. Facebook's like everywhere. So Facebook knows
That's right.
exactly who's interacting with your ad, how long they've been looking
Yeah.
at your ad, how many clicks they've done on your ad. Facebook knows
Mm,
how hungry people are and how interactive they are with your ad, which is what these traditional media outlets they just can't give you. So you're saying that this person, like some people, are spending $30,000 a month for
yeah.
bus stop ads, when like imagining myself like $1,000 into Facebook, you can probably get maybe 5x more leads through Facebook than you do just with spending $30,000 on bus stop ads if you know
Did
what
you
you're
say
doing.
5x?
Yeah, 5x. You can literally make
Way more than that, man.
even way more. Like I was being kind of conservative
Way
there
more.
a little bit. You could probably make
No,
way
no,
more,
way
like
more
a
than that.
thousand dollars on Facebook
No,
a month.
I know a realtor that he was just doing bus he bought up about 10 bus benches for like, so he was spending 100,000 a year, 10 grand a month on bus benches, and I asked him how many calls has he gone through the bus benches. He's like zero after like 4 or 5 months. Zero.
Crazy.
I was like, dude, give me $1,000. I'll get you 100 people.